How to fix Disney bundle not working for ESPN. Step 1. Sync your accounts. If you previously had a standalone ESPN Plus subscription, there might be a syncing issue. Contact ESPN customer service to resync your account. Step 2. Log out and back in. Log out of your ESPN Plus account on all devices. Then log back in using your Disney Plus credentials. This can help refresh your access. Step 3. Use the correct login. Ensure you are logging into ESPN Plus with the same email and password used for your Disney Plus account. Avoid using old ESPN credentials. Step 4. Contact support. If issues persist, contact Disney or ESPN customer support for further assistance. They can help troubleshoot and resolve account issues. So, this is how to fix Disney bundle not working for ESPN.